It's finally arrived, the G4 Doorbell Pro, and it now has the nice little pull tab, just like a lot of the other Apple packaging. So we'll just open that up. Here we go. Here is the first look at the doorbell itself. You've got the connections on the back as always. You've got the new USB connection here, which you need an adapter for. You have the camera at the top here, the doorbell, the screen, the fingerprint and NFC reader, and you have the package cam at the bottom. I have a full review coming soon on this, so if you want to see it, like and follow.